Hello students, so your question is, as per the law of conservation of mass, option first, mass can be created or destroyed, option second, mass cannot be created or destroyed, option third is form of mass can be changed, and last is both B as well as C. So students, to know its correct answer, first we have to discuss about what does this law of conservation of mass states. So students, as per the law of conservation of mass, it states that students, mass in an isolated system is neither created nor destroyed by chemical reactions or physical transformations. And according to the law of conservation of mass, students, the mass cannot be created or destroyed, and as well as only the form of mass can be changed. Okay students, so the correct answer of this question will be option number D, both B as well as a C option. Okay students, so students, let us understand this by an example. So if we take 10 grams of calcium carbonate, students, CaCO3, it will be equal to 3.8 gram of carbon dioxide plus 6.2 gram of calcium oxide. Okay students, so according to the law of conservation of mass, it is given that students, the mass of the products in any chemical reaction must be equal to the mass of the reactant side. Okay students, so the mass of both these sides, reactants as well as the product side, should be equal, like this students. Here also it is 10 grams, and on the opposite side also after addition we get 10 grams. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.